Hi, hello, Om Sai Ram. Welcome to Sai Nakshatra Collections. I am Raksha. If anyone new to the channel, please subscribe. Madi subscribers 100 rupees off ide. And if anyone likes my video, 100 rupees kandita off ide. Whomsoever wants a customization in real beads, please do ping me to the number displayed on the screen. Every time I will pick the call, and if you have any queries, you can do ask me, or if you want any customization, I will definitely make it. And the process of making will be very little time taking, because I am only the person doing this, and the customization I myself do it, and tiga kuda nane martini. So that's the reason it will be little time taking. Please confirm the time and then you can make it. And order process bandu, please take the screenshot of the product and send me to the number displayed on the screen. And booking advance booking amount will be 500 rupees. After giving you the tracking details, you can do pay me the rest of the amount. I will make sure that I'll give you the picture and the video of the product before sending the. And free shipping irutte, completely free shipping throughout India. If anyone wants any customization in silver and as well as 1 gram gold, it's available with me. So let's start off with the video. And if you have any queries, please do call me at any point of time, at any. So this is the first product. This is a customization order. Very beautiful gold copy design ido. Very beautiful Swarovski pearls, corals and everything. This is a hallmark, silver hallmark ide. This is completely silver. If you want in 1 gram gold, that is also available. Silver pricing bere irutte, 1 gram gold pricing bere irutte. So completely this is pure 92.5 silver customization. Nimge resale value irutte. If you want, if you just go give it to any of the shop, they will check the purity and they'll give you the same price of that particular day silver price irodu. Okay, these are original Swarovskis and original Taiwan corals I have used. This is 21 inches long barutte. And this is the closer look of the making. It's excellent making, clean and neat agi bandide. Gold al hege kanutte same way it is, like same as gold copy. It's very beautiful. 21 inches barutte, 5 lines, and excellent agi kantide. I have just used little gold balls there, that are silver gold balls with 22 karat gold polishing jotege barutte. So this is how it is. Very beautiful one. If you really wants to place an order of this, you can do place it. Silver, the price is 5,000 rupees, free shipping all over India. If anyone interested, you can do book it. 4,999 free shipping all over India. 4,999 free shipping all over India. And if you want a normal 1 gram gold, same product, the pricing is 2,200 rupees, free shipping all over India. Interested or book ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So next product, one very beautiful one. These are original pumpkin beads with Swarovskis use ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Neck length ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 18 inches long ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This is how it is. Very beautiful one. Silver product ಇದು. If anyone are interested, you can do book it. In place of rubies, if you want in emerald, blue sapphire, or orange or any other colors, whichever colors if you want, I can colors. So this is the hallmark Swarovskis I have used. Pumpkin beads, original pumpkin beads. So nimge silver al barutte. Silver pricing at rupees 1,899, free shipping all over India. Whomsoever subscribes my channel and like kodorge 100 rupees off ide. So this is the closer look. Very beautiful. Everything is original, and silver is 92.5 silver, pure silver with 22 karat gold polishing jotege barutte. So this is 18 inches long barutte nimge. So this is the closer look, and very beautiful agi kanutte. If anyone are interested in 1 gram gold, is also available. 1 gram gold pricing bandu 799, free shipping all over India. 1 gram gold price is 799, free shipping all over India. Very beautiful. This is a closer look. Everything caps barutte, caps with caps it is given. Excellent agi kanutte. So next one is black diamonds with navratna ide. This is 18 inches long barutte, pure silver, 92.5 with 22 karat gold polishing barutte. 2 lines barutte. This is black diamonds, 3 mm in size I've used, and navratna beads, completely navratna. In the middle I have used this silver gold balls. ನಿಮಗೆ ನವರತ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ 18 ನವರತ್ನ ಬೀಡ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ನವರತ್ನಾಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ 6x4 ಸೈಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನವರತ್ನ ಬೀಡ್ಸು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ 3mm ಸೈಜ್. ಸೊ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 18 inches ಲಾಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ 92.5 ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಸ್ 2899 ಫ್ರೀ ಶಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ 2899 free shipping. And if you want in silver, it is 1800 rupees free shipping all over India, 1 gram gold price. So this is the closer look. ಬ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹುಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಥರ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಾಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 925 ಹಾಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಚಂದ್ರಹಾರ ಚೈನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಶೈನ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್. ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಶೈನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ you have this original Navratna beads, completely Navratna, 18 Navratnas barutte. So this is how it is, very beautiful, 18 inches long. If you want this, you can do book your orders. Advance payment ge 500 rupees. After giving you the tracking details, you can do pay the rest of the amount. Okay na? So this is the closer look. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದೋ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನವರತ್ನ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಬೀಡ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸ್ಡ್. ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್. ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಾಜವರ್ಧಿನಿ ಬೀಡ್ಸ್ 3mm ಇನ್ ಸೈಜ್, 2 lines, 21 inches ಲಾಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಇದು. 22 ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಪಾಲಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This is how it is, very beautiful one. If you want this you can do book it. This is hallmark silver. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಬೀಡ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 2 lines. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಇನ್ 3 or 5 lines ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್. ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್ ಲುಕ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದು 2200 rupees ಫ್ರೀ ಶಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ 1 gram gold price is 999 ಫ್ರೀ ಶಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. If anyone are interested, you can do book it. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next video. Bye.